Mike, thanks for sitting down with me today. I appreciate your time.
Absolutely.
Mike, Cultura Technologies is very well known over in Europe, but Cultura Seed Solutions, not so known in North America, new to North America. Can you talk to me a little bit about the organization, your products, and maybe your role within it?
Cultura is a vertical market software company focused in agriculture.
Okay.
And so we have the number one or the number two software product in each of these verticals. You know, we have seed, grain, feed, poultry, fresh produce, you know, all these different companies, all these different software solutions that are part of our family. And what really differentiates us from other folks is that we never purchase a company to sell it or to kill off the competition. We are a buy and hold company. We want a company to become part of our family and improve, get better, get bigger, and really we never want to sell a company. We never have yet.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
My role, we decided to split off the seed part as its own business unit, and I'm the sales and operations manager for that here in North America.
Excellent. And how did you get involved? How did you get started with Cultura?
So my background has always been in ag. You know, I sold livestock products when I first started, moved into healthcare, food service software, and then a few years ago decided, you know, I like software, but I want to get back into ag. And so I started looking for a company, and I found Cultura, and it's been fantastic.
So if we take a step back and look at the seed industry at large, what do you see as the three biggest trends within the seed industry, and what impact can Cultura have on those trends?
Right. So the three things that I would say right off the bat, number one is consolidation of the industry. Number two is the real need for efficiency of a seed company today. And then finally, I see a lot of seed companies that are really becoming more tech savvy.
Right.
You know, Cultura really handles all of those. You know, regarding consolidation, you may have a company that is going to get bought out or going to buy somebody out, or they may be partnering up with other companies to try to compete and fill holes that they don't have. Regarding the efficiency, you know, there's so many companies that still use spreadsheets and a small piece of software for this business, a small piece of software for that part. None of it talks, none of it integrates, and you need to know, as a business owner and a business leader, you need to be able to answer questions quickly, get the right data quickly, and systems like ours does that. Finally, from tech savvy, you know, everybody wants to be mobilely connected. They want to access the data, whether they're a dealer or a salesperson. What did the person buy last year? You know, if they're a field tech, they don't want to write stuff down in a notebook, go home, put it back into the system, or hand it off to the office and have them put it in. You know, they want access, and the senior management team needs to have access to know what's going on wherever they're at.
Right.
And we handle all of those.
So in this day and age, everyone has purchased software. Everyone has purchased software for whether it's accounting or finance or whatever side of the business they're in, they've got a software package. Can you talk to me a little bit about specifically what does the Cultura software package bring to the table?
Sure. So our system, we feel it's probably one of the most comprehensive out there, and it really is a line of business software that handles each of the different aspects in a given seed business. So, you know, handling the grower contracts and all the payments, handling the processing, and the making finished goods, and then the inventory, the sales, the shipping of all of that. So we really go all the way from the parent seed in a contract grower's field all the way to a finished unit at a farmer's farm.
Right, okay. Perfect, which is what they're looking for.
Absolutely.
A complete solution.
Absolutely. Right. You know, we talk a lot about disconnected data and all these desperate systems, and we try to solve that problem.
Bring it all together. Right, okay. I'm curious, do you have a motto? Something that drives you and the company forward, and something as a touchstone to come back to? How are decisions made? Anything ring true when I ask that question?
Well, you know, I guess we kind of have an overriding idea that we're not selling software. We are providing solutions to business problems.
Right.
And it takes a couple things to do that. Number one, you have to have a team that has industry experience. They have to understand what the manager of a seed company goes through on a regular basis, what his day-to-day world looks like, what the processing manager's day-to-day world is. And then finally, you've got to go out and talk to them. So you've got to go sit in their office at their facility and ask them questions and listen to their answers.
Right.
And we think that's really, really important, and we think that's what sets us apart. And the other side of it is hiring good people. Hire good people, give them training, give them support, and then get out of the way.
Right.
Let them do what they do. They will take care of your customers if you don't hamstring them.
Right, exactly. Well said. I appreciate that very much. Thanks again for the chat. Take care.
Perfect. Thanks.